Want to build a website in under 10 minutes without knowing coding? Yes, you heard that right. With LM Arena, it's now possible. This video will guide you through creating your own website using LM Arena quickly and easily, even if you have no prior coding experience. LM Arena is an AI-powered platform that allows you to generate videos and other content, transforming images into realistic talking characters. It functions similarly to other AI platforms, but instead of just still images, it creates full videos with motion and optional audio. It's also used to transparently evaluate and compare various AI chatbots, showcasing its versatility beyond just video creation. First, you'll need to create a free account on the LM Arena platform, a straightforward process that takes just moments.
Here you have to just visit on the battle mode and select the direct chat. Here now you have to select and model which one you have to use for build your website, like example Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, any one of you want here. So my favorite one I will use Claude. It will help you to build. Now just select the code option and here you have to describe which type of website you want. Like for example, I love, hey, create a website for me for my business. My business is about animation video maker and simply tap on enter. Here you can see it's a start the working on our my website. Here you see he thoughting about how to the create a website and many more things. By just clicking on the upwards code mode, you can see the code and simply tapping at the another side you can see the website how the website is looking. And now you have to just wait for a few minutes, nearly 2 to 5 minutes. Your website will get ready for use. Here I think my website is nearly have to complete its work. Oh, it's have completed. Here under you can see it's selected many things like sections and many more things. As you can see our website is ready. Here you can see it's type of basically a perfect template for our website. Here you can see our latest work, product, videos and many more things. For example, you can see simple pricing, what our clients say. I have just nothing type here. Here you can submit your inquiry or a request for a work. It's pretty good for me. Now let me select here. I can submit the message and at the downside you can see he added everything like follow on Insta and everything. For this website you have to pay nearly 800 US dollars, but here you will get it for free. Let's check the pricing. I have clicked on pricing and it's working properly. For example, I have to add something. So basically I want to add some animation characters here. So I've just type here. So some characters, animated characters here, and just type enter. As you can see, it start processing. It will also take a few seconds or a few minutes. Here you can see the coding which I the done by the AI. As you can see, it's a long, or I can say it's a very longer code. It's nearly a 2 to 400 lines code, but it's simply done in 5 minutes. Here our website is getting ready. As you can see, it's taking a few more minutes and it will be ready soon. As you can see, our website is getting ready. Till that, I have to tell you something. If you want a short summary about it, you can check at the last of the video. Here, the animated anime effects and everything is going to be added. So let's check here. Hmm. Let me scroll down. It's perfect. Oh, here are the characters. As you can see, it's added the characters automatically. I just not have to upload a video or anything else. Here you can see the website is fully ready without anyone help. And it's pretty easy. You just need a 10 minutes and you have to just type about your website and your website is get it ready. If you want to change anything in the website, you can change by just simply typing your code or just a prompt, or you can download or copy your code from here. Let's see our website. As you can see, our website is pretty good. If you still didn't get how I done it, you can watch our short video in the last of this video.
To make it live and accessible to the world. Congratulations! You've successfully created a professional website in just 10 minutes without writing a single line of code. Now you can proudly share your new website with the world. Arena platform, a straightforward process that takes just moments. Once registered, navigate to the video generation section, often accessible through a Discord server linked to LM Arena. You can start by uploading an image, remembering that the quality of your input image directly impacts the output video. Tools like Gemini's Nano Banana can help upscale and edit your images for better quality before you even begin. Next, write simple prompts to instruct the AI on what your character should do or say, guiding its creative process. Then, use the image to video command within the LM Arena Discord server to initiate the video generation. The platform typically generates 2 outputs per request, with one often including audio for convenience. If your generated video lacks audio, tools like 11 Labs can create a voiceover, bringing your character to life. Then use Dreamface to sync this audio with your video for realistic lip movements, ensuring a natural presentation. Finally, use CapCut to trim your video and remove any watermarks, refining it for a professional finish. Magic Eraser can also be used to remove any unwanted logos or elements, ensuring your video is pristine. The key benefits of LM Arena are clear. No coding required, incredible speed, and free AI video generation. AI assistance helps with script writing, visual generation, and voiceovers, streamlining your entire creative process. While LM Arena is powerful, alternatives like Squarespace, Wix, and GoDaddy offer user-friendly interfaces and templates for diverse needs. In summary, creating a website with LM Arena is fast, easy, and requires absolutely no coding knowledge. Start building your dream website today with LM Arena and share your creations with the world.